It is easy to replace door locks inside the house. For entrance doors, whether armoured or of other types, it is best to call a locksmith. To change the lock of a door, you must first remove the old one by unscrewing and removing it. And then, taking the entire lock with you, go to a well-stocked hardware store and buy a lock that has the same shape as the broken one. It is important to take the old lock as a model, because there are locks of various shapes and sizes, and with so much variety it would be difficult to find the lock you need. Put the new lock in place and secure it either with the screws provided or with the old ones.